What's going on, family? Here I am in Cardinal Creek. It is zip code 28215 here in Charlotte, North Carolina, where you can get some amazingly priced single family homes. And I'm talking about single family homes with a 2-car garage, and you have a backyard, a real backyard. Let's go inside and take a look at this Robie floor plan, and I'll go over pricing for the entire community. And we're not just going to tour the home, we're running it through the Carolina wealth system, because most buyers walk into homes and react. Strategic buyers evaluate positioning. So as we go through this home, I'm going to score this property across 5 core categories. And by the end, you'll know whether this strengthens your position or it just looks good on Instagram or in a video. Now first, let's talk about the location. It is in zip code 28215, and the first category is location durability. In location durability, this scores a 7.8 out of 10. You see, it's riding Charlotte's broader job and wage growth that we've seen about a 33% increase in the past 5 years. So steady appreciation, but not hyper growth. This area is not a trophy school district or a job center node. It is a bedroom corridor. Now that's not bad. It just means this is stable positioning, not speculative upside. Strategic buyers and investors and people looking at the long term understand the difference. Now, while I go over all this, you can see the home. You can see the quartz countertop, the gas range, the large walk-in pantry. I am going to go through the Carolina wealth system so you can be properly positioned to take advantage of this market. Whether it is a owner-occupant that's going to live here with the family, or you're an investor, or you just want that long-term security and know what you're getting into. Now, from a pricing positioning standpoint, this community is priced very strong right now. And I'm filming this or delivering this to you in February of 2026. You're getting new construction. For a 4-bedroom home, you can get in the low 4s. We're talking 415,000. For a 5-bedroom, you can get in as little as 445. Now, the median sale price home in Charlotte proper, which this is located, is right around 399,000. But with this community or this home, you're getting brand new construction. It gives you different warranties. This home is very competitively priced. Is it an absolute steal? Depending on which home you go for, if you buy a home for over $455,000 in this community, it's not a steal, but it is well positioned. And there's several homes right now, 4 and 5 bedroom, that you can get for under that threshold. And reach out to me. We can see if we can pull some levers and negotiate to where we can get that price down. Sorry to interrupt, but before we go further in this video, I have 2 resources in the description that you need to know about. Number 1 is a 5-minute quiz. If you're unsure of where you should be looking at into moving in the greater Charlotte region, if you answer the questions for this quiz, it'll give you the top 3 areas based on your answers that are ideal for your lifestyle. And the second resource for you out there is those people that are wanting down payment assistance or want to know about grants that are available in both North and South Carolina. There's this tool that I became aware of, CarolinaDownPaymentHelp.com, where you answer 8 to 9 questions and it'll give you a list of down payment programs or grants that you qualify for. Hope this was helpful. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get you back to the video you came to see. So it's not a steal, but it is well positioned. And well-positioned wins in the long term. We want to make sure we think about the long-term goals for your properties. Now, when we think about liquidity and resale, this home gets an 8 out of 10. This layout where you have 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, around 2,500 square feet to 2,800 square feet, this is a mass market demand driver. Most people want a home in this range. Owner occupants want it, investors want it, Owner occupants want it because you get more space for yourself. Investors want it because you can rent it to larger families and charge a higher rent. Now, homes in this corridor are typically selling in about 30 to 60 days when it's priced right. Now, that's just below the average in the Charlotte area, and that's what we call durable liquidity. Now let's talk about the leverage opportunity. Now, depending on which home site, which property you get, the leverage opportunity is a 6.8 out of 10. Now, this is where it gets interesting because the specific home matters. You don't want to overpay for a home, even if it's new construction. Now, builders aren't going to give the home away, but there's leverage opportunities where we can get closing costs, we can get all the appliances. There's different interest rate incentives that we can take advantage and get this monthly payment very affordable, to where, when I mean affordable, I'm talking about in comparison to rent for something you would get comparable. The strategic buyer asks, how can I use this incentive to improve my position? And that's what we walk you through in the Carolina Wealth System. It's not about just knowing the incentive, it's about pulling different levers and how that can improve your position. Now, let's talk about downside protection. Right now, this community, the right homes in this community, 4 or 5 bedroom homes that you do not overpay for, the downside protection is an 8.1 out of 10. Now, this is very strong in regards to downside protection. Homes in the low to mid 400,000 price point in this band of Charlotte is some of the most durable ranges. You see, first-time home buyers can purchase this price point. Renters transitioning into ownership can purchase this price point. The demand base for this price point remains strong even when the higher end price points slow down. Now, the final score I want to talk about for this home, it gets a 7.8 out of 10 for the Carolina Wealth Positioning Score. That is very strong positioning. It's not speculative, it's not flashy, it is strong, and I would love to walk you through the Carolina Wealth System so we can strategically put you in the best position to buy your first home or your next home. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate strategist and advisor. Talk to you soon.